Hi everyone, it's Marco Brown. I'm here with a Lawyer Pro Tip. And today I wanted to talk to you about determining how much you need to bill and collect as a solo attorney in order to replace the income that you're being paid at a law firm. Now, there are a lot of attorneys that work for law firms and they just can't stand it. They don't like the bureaucracy, they don't like the politics, they don't like whatever it is. I know because I was one of those attorneys. I worked for a big 40, 50, 60 person shop in New Mexico doing insurance defense. And it was the single worst job I ever had in my entire life, including cleaning toilets. It was just awful. And I only made it about 18 months. I had to get out. The last 3 months, I didn't smile. My wife was really worried about me. I was really worried about me. I was clinically depressed during that period of time. I just had to leave. But one of the things that really scared me as I was making that decision was trying to figure out how much I needed to bill and collect on my own in order to replace the salary that I was getting at that law firm. Now, here's the rule. So take whatever you bill and collect right now at your law firm and divide it by 4. That's it. So if you bill and collect 2,000 hours a year at your law firm right now, just divide that by 4. 500 hours billed and collected as a solo is going to make you the same money. Now just think about that. 75% of the billable hour that you bill and collect is going to heaven only knows what with these law firms. Marketing, I don't know, but it's seriously ineffective marketing, so it's usually not that. It's the administrative costs and all sorts of bloat. There was this law firm here in Salt Lake that it was pretty famous. It's now defunct because they spent money hand over fist. In fact, they had a law library that I think had $1 million in books in it. I mean, $1 million in books. No one uses books, but they wanted it. It was a status symbol. And they got their status symbol, but they also got bankruptcy. And that's one of the big reasons that lawyers just want to get out of these places. They realize intuitively that they can bill a lot fewer hours and make about the same amount of money. And again, the rule is take whatever you bill and collect right now and divide it by 4, and that's all you got to do. Okay? If you need help leaving a law firm, going out on your own, doing your own thing, you need encouragement, you need to kind of know how to do it, give me a call, shoot me an email. I'm a divorce attorney, but I don't take divorce cases as pro bono because it's just another divorce case. What I do is I go try to help attorneys to really find what they want to do, to get out on their own, to get out of the law firm rat race and self-actualize, if you want to say it like that, but really find what they want to do and their path. So happy to help you in any way I can. Again, the email is marco@utdivorceattorney.com. Shoot me an email. Happy to help however I can. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a good weekend. Bye.